of a very nicely spec'd BMW 320d Sport xDrive Saloon. 66,600 miles on the clock. We're just giving it a little road test just to make sure that it drives all okay. It drives very nicely. BMW, so you wouldn't expect any less. No warning lights up on the dash. All good tyres on it. Yeah, very nice car to drive indeed. So it's the Sport, but with quite a nice additional level of spec to it. I've had to make a note of it, that's how much there is. It's in Alpine White. It's got the rear privacy and the black mirror covers, which just help finish the look of the car off. And inside it gets this lovely sort of matte metallic-y sort of red trim and red inserts on the seats, or the stitching on the seats as well, which just finish it off nicely. Standard specs quite good with these anyway, but in addition to the usual that you get, which is your cruise, your parking sensors and so forth, your DAB and navigation, which it's got the power fold anti-dimming, or dimming I should say, rear view mirror, passenger mirrors. So they drive, sorry, I'll keep saying it, I'll get it right in a minute. The door mirrors, power fold, and they are anti-dazzle. You've got sliding front armrest as well, just to give you a little bit of extra armrest. It's got extended storage, it's got the interior comfort pack, you've got heated front seats, it's also got heated steering wheel, and you've got the, what else? Oh, it's got enhanced Bluetooth with USB audio interface and voice control. So doesn't want for a lot really. Spec wise, it's pretty up there. Great pedigree, got full BMW service history, which is all up here on the iDrive. Let's quickly pull that up so you can have a scan of that. It's all in the photos, but it's there as well. So you can see everything's all green and good on the service requirements. And service history wise, it goes right up to February. Only just been serviced 500 miles ago, 66,100 miles. It's full BMW history. We've got 6 stamps in there, going right the way back to 2017. So really, really good service history. We've got 2 remote keys for the car as well. So all in all, a really, really good car. Great value for money. BMW for one day of money. It's my classic saying, but that's what it is. Lots of information up on the website about the car, photos, the video walk around, as well as this garbled sort of test drive. But if there is any additional information that you would like on the car, or finance options that are available, or the delivery service that we offer with our own in-house vehicle transporter, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.